Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, in this series of verses of the Holy Quran related to different subjects, today I will talk about the animals, and the first one is vlog is about how the birds fly. In the Holy Quran, Allah invites us to think how the birds keep themselves afloat in spite of the gravity and how they travel such long distances, that is, thousands of kilometers. In chapter 16, Surah An-Nahl, verse 79, the Holy Quran says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alam yara illa tayari musakharatim fi javvis samai ma yumsikuhunna illa Allah. And it translates into, do they not see the words controlled in the atmosphere of the sky? None holds them up except Allah. Then in chapter 67, Surah Al-Mulk, verse 19, the Holy Quran states, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Avalam yara illa at-tayri fawqahum safatim wa yakbidna ma yumsikuhunna illa ar-Rahman. And it translates into, have they not seen the birds who can spread and retract their wings? No one except Allah can keep them afloat. I mean, the spreading and retracting of the wings is mentioned, and how complicated it is, let us see. So Allah invites to think about how the birds fly, how they move by flapping their wings, and they do not fall on the earth due to gravity. I mean, gravity is pulling everything down. It is because Allah designed them, the birds, in such a way and gave them such power that they can remain in air for months. You know that in distant past, many efforts were made by humans to fly by placing these wings on their backs, but they failed. The only reason was that they did not have, their muscles did not have the strength needed for flying. I mean, physically it was okay, the wings were there, but the muscles were not there to give the strength which is needed for flying. So the birds are specially designed for this, and they have been provided with special muscles for this thing. For example, biologists have just discovered that a little bird called the common swift, whose scientific name is Apus, it can fly for 10 months straight without landing. I mean, it is unimaginable how much stamina it has and how much energy it can store in itself for such a long journey, and how powerful its wings or muscles of its wings are, that for 10 months it can fly continuously. Simply amazing, unimaginable. And then there is a very big bird called wandering albatross. Scientific name is Media excellens. It can travel 10,000 times at 10,000 miles without flapping its wings even once. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, the structure of the body or the design of the body, this design of the wings is such that it doesn't have to flap them. You can see here the wings have a special shape. They are curved downwards at the ends. 10,000 miles means about 16,000 kilometers. Again, very, very amazing. And the hummingbird, very small bird, Trochilidia, it can fly 29 million times the length of its own body without stopping. 29 million times. In our Urdu calculation, it's about 3 crore times. What can be said about it? And now we know that the birds have these special muscles, pectoralis major and supracoracoideus, which are responsible for downstroke and upstroke respectively. That is pectoralis major for the downstroke and the other one for the upstroke. So these muscles enable them to fly for extended periods. These are only present in the birds. Additionally, birds have a high metabolic rate and efficient respiratory systems to support the energy demands of flight. I mean, again, their body is specially built for this. For example, hummingbirds have a heartbeat of 1400 per minute. You know, the human heartbeat is about 80, 70, 80, 90, but it is 1400 per minute. So much energy it is required, and its body is able to produce that much energy. It is capable of producing that much energy to keep them doing their routine work in the life. So Allah created these amazing characters in birds and invited the humans to think about it. And then uh, bow their heads in subjugation. So these are some references. So you know that this is a part of the series of verses Quran of the Holy Quran related to different subjects. So already I have presented vlogs on the topic of universe, then the earth, then the origin of life, then verses of the Holy Quran related to mankind, how mankind originated, and the verses of Holy Quran related to human body. Thank you very much for your attention. And these are the my completed vlogs, completed series. And of course, how you can reach my vlogs. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.